Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Hot Pursuit mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Completing this mission is very simple. To finish it, you can ask a friend for help or you can do it with real players on the server. But I recommend using a friend's help. Have your friend stand on a straight road with you, both in vehicles. You should be playing as a police officer while your friend plays as a criminal with a wanted level. While your friend is driving at a speed, chase them and perform a PIT maneuver by ramming the side of their moving car. When hit correctly from the side, their car's wheels will lose stability, causing the vehicle to spin out and stop. You need to successfully execute this maneuver 3 times to complete the task. Once that is done, head straight over to the police station, talk to the NPC Bert, turn in the mission, and claim your completion.